Hello everyone! Today the Bookworms are going to be reading a Pete the Cat book called Pete the Cat's Groovy Guide to Kindness, Tips from a Cool Cat on How to Be Kind by Kimberly and James Dean. Kindness. It's kinda my thing. Pete. 3 things in human life are important. The first is to be kind, the second is to be kind, and the third is to be kind. Henry James. Guard well within yourself that treasure, kindness. Know how to give without hesitation, how to lose without regret, how to acquire without meanness. George Sand. Every act of kindness is groovy. Pete. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Aesop. Remember that the happiest people are not those getting more, but those giving more. H. Jackson Brown Jr. Kindness is contagious. Pete. For whoever in enjoying a kindness knows how to return one as well, he is a friend more valuable than any possession. Sophocles. Wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness. Lucius Annius Seneca. There is a chance to be kind to any cat you meet. Pete. And above all these, put on love, which binds everything together in perfect harmony. Colossians 3:14. Those who are happiest are those who do the most for others. Booker T. Washington. Bring happiness to everyone you meet. Pete. Be happy. Try to be a rainbow in someone's cloud. Maya Angelou. Radiate good vibes. Pete. Integrity is doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Unknown. Share kindness everywhere you go. Pete. Have you had a kindness shown? Pass it on. Henry Burden. One kind word can warm 3 winter months. Japanese proverb. Just one kind meow can warm a heart. Pete. Slow turtle crossing. Be the change you want to see. Attributed to Mahatma Gandhi. Kindness is free. Sprinkle that stuff everywhere. Unknown. Good vibes all the time. Pete. Be a little kinder than you have to. E. Lockhart. It's cool to be kind. Unknown. Kind cats are cool cats. Pete. Kindness lasts. Pete. Our fingerprints don't fade from the lives we touch. Judy Blume. Friends show their love in times of trouble. Euripides. Kindness is always the grooviest thing to do. Pete. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. Dalai Lama 14. On that best portion of a good man's life, his little, nameless, unremembered acts of kindness and love. William Wordsworth. Let your light shine. Pete. Kindness is the touch of an angel's hand. James L. Gordon. Kind people are the best kind of people. Unknown. Kind cats are my kind of cats. Pete. Never believe that a few caring people can't change the world, for indeed that's all who ever have. Margaret Mead. Kind hearts are the gardens, kind thoughts are the roots, kind words are the flowers, kind deeds are the fruit. English proverb. Kindness grows the coolest flowers. Pete. The end. That's it for today, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed. For more read-alongs like these, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed the book, give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. Don't forget to join us every day for a new video with a fun read-along. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!